today I got a package in my mail from Amazon. Okay, so I got the AIRKII cordless vacuum. So here it is. Okay, let's take it out of the box now. So here we have the vacuum of AIRKII. We got attachments here, and we got a charger with a carrying bag. Alright, so I got it itself here, and it's got a charging port like that, and then it's got an on switch, so it charges it. So that's how it works, and it got a button so you can take this out.
You got an air filter, right?
It got a filter so it collects the trash, and it's got a glass so you can take it out and clean it.
You can take this off.
Yeah, and then you can clean it.
You can clean it, you can wash this with water and dust it out, all the trash.
Alright guys, so this is how you charge it. You got the plug here, and then you plug it into the wall and it starts charging, and it takes 3 hours and it's rapid fast charging. And it's got an LED here, so if it's low, it'll turn red, and if it's hot, if it's ready, it'll turn green. Okay, so these are the attachments. So we got a brush for the carpet, so you can rub into there real tight. This is for really small gaps, like in between the car. And we got an extension cord, so you can put it in, and then you can go like this instead. Alright guys, so today we're gonna go in the monster truck to the car wash, and then we're gonna try out the dirty stuff with this vacuum made by AIRKII. So let's go to the car wash. Oh guys, I forgot my AIRKII vacuum. Now I can go. I'm gonna go to the car wash now. Okay, so now we're at the car wash, so I'm gonna vacuum first, and you can see got some sand from the beach, so let's take it out. Alright, so that's how I clean. So as you can see, we have our thing dirty because we were cleaning with the vacuum. So now let's go do the other mat. Alright guys, so I got the brush tip here. So now we're gonna try this tip. The brush tip is pretty good. So as you can see, we got some sand in there. So let's do the other mat. Alright guys, so this is the extension. So let's try it. Alright guys, now it's clean on the back. Now let's move on to this. Alright guys, now I'm gonna wash my truck. So I'm gonna clean it. So first step, we take this button. Then we take out the filter, put it outside, and then we got trash. So we got a bag here to put it in. So like that. There's the trash from the car, and then we're gonna rinse it with some water. Alright guys, so it's rinsed, so you can see no trash and it's clean. So now we can go clean again. drop a link on Amazon.com where you can get it. So that's it for today. Subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye, guys.